Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about how we can get the acceptance letter. Most of the students send me message and ask me like how we can get the acceptance letter, mainly the students who are applying for CSC or ANSO scholarship in China. So then I asked them that okay, you can write the emails and you need to write a good template. You should have a good template of your email and a good resume, and then you can send the emails to the professors and then they will respond and you can get the acceptance letter. But most and some students ask me that how we can send the email, so they even don't know that how to send the email. Today in this video I'll go step by step like how you can find the faculty members of a specific university, and then how you can send the emails to the professors. Okay, now first step is like you should decide a university, of which university you want to find the professor and send the email. For example, you want to send the email to the professor of Zhejiang Normal University. So you will search Zhejiang Normal University faculty list. Okay, you will search here and then you will click here and you will come here research, click on research, and then after you will click on research, here you can see institutes, okay, and platforms, progress. One second. Okay, so before we had click on here, you need to be careful. Okay, we were searching for Zhejiang Normal University faculty list. Okay, I clicked on Zhejiang University. It's not correct one. Okay, you need to see this one, college and schools and colleges of Zhejiang Normal University. You will click here and then you will here click on research. After you will click on research, then you will come down and you see here they mention that Institute of African Studies. Okay, and then you will come down College of Mathematics and Computer Science. Okay, and you will come down College of Physics and Electronics Information, College of Chemistry and Life Sciences. So they have mentioned all the faculty list, and good thing is like they have even mentioned the names of the professor, okay, their research area, email address, and some of them also have mentioned the telephone numbers. So you need to send the email. For example, you want to send the email to this professor, okay, Chen In, okay, and then what you will do that you will copy that email address. Okay, after you copy, then you will come here. This is your Gmail and this is your Outlook or Hotmail. Okay, so I'll tell you on both how you can send the email. On Gmail, you will come here and click here compose. Okay, and now to which professor you are sending the email. Okay, you will paste here the email. Okay, and subject line. Okay, for subject line you need to write seeking for postgraduate position in your research group. Okay, you need to copy that and paste it here. After you paste it here, then you will come here and copy the body of the email. Okay, this is subject line, this is body. Subject line is your professor will know, okay, what is the purpose of your email, and then in the body you need to write that email. So this is the email template and you need to modify it accordingly, like if you want to make some changes in that. For example, you are applying for mathematics and here I have mentioned physics, so you need to write a good email template, what I mean, and you should have a good resume. After that, then you need to, like, if you want to, for example, now there's one thing very important. Okay, there you can see two, if you want to say send same email to more professors, okay, then you don't need to mention the name here of specific professor, you just write dear professor. Okay, and in you don't need to write a lot of emails in two. Okay, if you will write more emails in two, then all the professors will get the same email and they will know that okay, you have sent that email to that many professors. So what you need to do is you click here BCC. Okay, and here you can see write more emails. Okay, and then they will not know that okay, you have sent that email to more professors. This is one thing, but I will suggest you that you should write one by one. I'll suggest you that you should write one by one, okay? And you need to write, mention the name of the professor. Now this one, the name, okay? Paste and then copy it here, and you'll come here and go to and professor name here, okay? Now, now everything is ready here, okay? Then you all what you need to do is attach the file, okay? And you need to attach your resume there, okay? Desktop, and for example this is your resume, okay? Attach it here. Now this is how you can send the email to professor. After all is done, then all you need to do is click here and then email will be sent. Similarly, in the hotmail, what you need to do is click here new email and copy the subject line, okay? Similarly, subject line here, and email body here, copy it and paste the email body here. Then what another thing is, you need to copy that email address and paste it here, and then attach your resume, okay? This is resume, and send the email. Click here after it is done, okay? Now send the email and it will be sent. So that's how you can send the email to professor and get the acceptance letter. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries, and I wish you best of luck. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. Yeah, take care and bye bye.